Hello and welcome. Let's say your team wants to move to the cloud, but you also want to improve how your systems runs. Just a little. Maybe you want to reduce maintenance, improve performance, or use cloud services that save time. But you don't want to change the whole application or rebuild everything from scratch. This is where the Replatform cloud migration strategy comes in. Also called Leave, Tinker, and Shift, Replatform is a cloud migration strategy where you move your applications to the cloud with a fewer smart changes. You keep the applications mostly the same. No rewriting, no redesign, but you make a small improvement that helps the application work better in the cloud. Let's look how it works in practice. Before we proceed, if you find this content helpful, please like and subscribe. Your support helps grow our community and signals to YouTube that this channel provides valuable information. I very appreciate your help in sharing knowledge. You start by setting up a compatible cloud environment, just like lift and shift migration. But here you add a few optimizations. For example, instead of installing and managing your own database server, you might switch to a cloud-managed database like Amazon RDS or Azure database for MySQL. It's the same database type, but now the cloud handles backups, scaling, and patches for you. Next, when you move for the application, you might update a few things. Maybe you change the applications to connect to a managed service instead of a local one. If you can use Docker, you might migrate the container, but improve the setup with better storage or security options. The same goes for the database migration. You are not just copying the old database virtual machine. Instead, you switch to a cloud-native version that offers more reliability, built-in backups, and faster scaling. It's still the same MySQL or PostgreSQL, but now it's fully managed. You can also improve how you move virtual machine images. You may still use snapshots or dump of your virtual machines, but during or after the move, you tweak it. Maybe you remove local storage dependencies and connect the application to something like Amazon S3. Maybe you update the login system to send logs to a centralized cloud service. From an infrastructure perspective, Replatform means keeping your setup similar, but a bit better. You still create virtual machines, networks, and load balancers, but now you also use cloud-specific features that give you more flexibility. Your virtual machines might now be part of autoscaling group, so you can handle more traffic when needed. You might replace your physical load balancer with AWS Elastic Load Balancers or maybe Azure Load Balancers, which scale automatically and offer better uptime. And for networking, you mirror your existing structure, subnets, firewall rules, security groups, but you also take advantage of cloud-native tools. Maybe you segment the network better. Maybe you improve traffic routing or isolate certain workloads more securely. So, what's the big idea here? Replatform gives you a smart middle ground. It's not as fast and simple as lift and shift. And it's not as complex as a full rebuild. You make a few changes that deliver long-term benefits. Better performance, easier scaling, and lower maintenance. But, like all strategies, Replatform has challenges. You still need to test everything after the changes. Some cloud managed services don't work exactly the same as the local versions. You also need to update configurations. Train your team and make sure all applications dependencies are ready for the new environment. From my experience, Replatform works well when you want quick wins without rewriting the applications. You want to stop managing infrastructure that cloud services can handle better. You are planning to modernize slowly, step by step. In summary, Replatform helps you move to the cloud and make things better at the same time. You keep control, reduce risk, and get more value from cloud features without going too far too fast. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.